You know she prepared for you.
Yes.
He was on Twitter last night.
I was on Twitter last night, and so she said she was prepared. Did you get your 10-page?
I want a 10-page
report.
She sometimes over-prepares.
Oh, is that what happened?
And what did I say?
That you said you were really prepared. And
I was going to memorize it.
She's going to memorize everything.
Harold Perrineau co-stars in the new TV show Constantine, based on the comic strip series Hellraiser. Matt Ryan plays the title character, who's a demon hunter, and Harold is the guardian angel sent to watch over him.
You shouldn't be down here. I could say the same about you. You come to admire your handiwork. This wasn't my doing. No offense, Squire. I'm not in the habit of slumming it with angels. You'll murder my reputation.
So will the mental hospital.
Yeah, well, I checked out. I'm all better.
Yeah.
And those wings you have to wear all day?
No,
Are they real?
They're not. They're CGI. They're, yeah.
Oh, so you didn't, but did you have to act like you
No,
had
you
them
know
on?
what? I think what happened is they saw the scene and they thought, we should give them wings, and we have a great CGI department, and they just put those wings on me, and I remember them showing me. I was like, I've always wanted wings.
Of course, you got your
Thank
wings.
you.
You got your wings.
Every time a bell rings.
I realized, yes, that's exactly where we're going. And what I realized when watching this is, the thing is, in your career, you don't have to grow up.
Yes.
You play like these little kids in their outfits. You're
That's
playing
it.
pretend in a way,
I
right?
play that. My job is to play, to go out there and play every chance I can, and so that's what I do. And yeah, now I got my wings. I can play like an angel.
All right, Araxia has 31 questions
No,
she'd
no,
like
no.
to ask you.
31 questions.
I was, reading about you yesterday, growing up, speaking of. You
Okay.
grew up in Brooklyn,
Yep,
right?
I did.
In the projects.
I did.
Tough neighborhood.
Yeah.
And you were talking about how you started taking interest in theater and music, and you couldn't really walk down the street with your violin.
Yeah. It was weird. I couldn't walk down the street with a lot of things.
So where were you? Like Bed-Stuy, Fort Greene? Where
I was in East New York. I grew up in a
East
project called Cypress Hills. So
Yes.
Big shout out to Cypress
Yes,
Hills.
yes.
But back in the day, look, first of all, I was already nerdy, so that
Yeah.
was the bigger problem. I was already kind of nerdy, like I wasn't good at sports. And
But you got to represent. So you're coming down with the violin and the nerdiness.
Yeah, it was a bit of a problem. So like I just didn't practice. I would only practice at school, and I couldn't take it anymore. I was already nerdy. I couldn't take any more.
But you had the
teasing.
art,
It was
the art, music, creative thing was within you.
It was just part of me, Like everybody, like I'm a Harold Jr.
Yes.
And so the big question in my house was always, what's wrong with Junior? What's wrong with him? The boy's strange. So it's always been sort of part of who I am.
And of course, that's why you're perfectly comfortable out here.
This is exactly right.
Well, I give you a lot of credit for continuing to pursue what you were interested in, despite all that,
I don't think I had another choice. I don't think, like I said, I was terrible at sports. I was pretty good at school. I guess I could have done something academically, but I'm a little weird. So I don't think I really had a choice.
And then,
Pardon me, was there a moment where you went from a world where you didn't fit in, and you stepped into like drama class, and suddenly you realized?
That's exactly right.
Oh, wow.
It's exactly right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was like and honestly, I kid you not. It's like the light went on. I was like, oh.
I belong.
Yeah, like it
I'm
all.
not weird.
Yeah, exactly. It all made
It all
sense
makes
just
sense.
one day, and it's really fortunate. And I was a teenager when that
Yeah.
happened, so it was really, really fortunate.
What happened to you? You were on Lost. A lot of people remember you from being on Lost. Mm-hmm. You were on Lost,
Right?
and then you weren't on Lost, and then you were on Lost.
Are you asking me to explain Lost? Because
No,
I'm lost. I
cannot.
don't even know what you're talking about.
I cannot explain it. I don't. Yeah, we were on. We were off.
It was like a
we
whole
had-
year you weren't there.
Yeah. I disappeared and then reappeared. And
Up
blew
until
myself
now,
up.
favorite role so far?
Favorite role? I have a couple that I really like. And this is how weird. I did a movie with Penelope Cruz many years ago called Woman on Top, and I play a transsexual. And the whole time I'm dressed up as a woman. It was the first time in my whole life anybody was like, you're really
kinda
pretty.
cute.
Not cute, but
Yeah.
pretty. I'd never been pretty. And so
Did you shave the
I
goatee?
shaved. I
Okay.
shaved. I grew my hair longer because at the time I was wearing my dreads. I had these nails that they put on that are impossible to do, and like you can't do anything in your whole life. Everything is you poke your
But
eyes a lot.
sometimes
It's terrible.
I've had some actors say that stuff creates character. Each time
It
you do the
does.
nails.
For
and,
sure.
You
yeah.
learn, like, they were cemented on my hands,
Uh-huh.
so like I had to walk around and learn how to
That's
deal with. So it's one of my favorites. So Woman on Top, Mercutio is one of my favorites.
One of my favorites is The Best Man Holiday.
I was gonna say
I saw
Merch.
a couple months ago.
Oh, did you?
A couple months ago on demand. Loved it. It was not what I expected, to
You
be
cried.
honest.
That's what happened.
I was bawling.
Right.
Bawling. I had a headache
Got
from the
it.
amount I
Got
cried.
it. We got you then. Good.
So good.
Good.
So
Thank you.
good.
Thank you. Merch is also one of my favorite.
All right, will you have the
characters.
wings throughout the show or just in that scene?
They come and go. This angel, he only talks to Constantine, but he
Mm-hmm.
appears in other people's bodies. So he just kind of shows up. So sometimes the wings,
Araxia is
sometimes.
very much like that.
All right. I had a joke. I let it
Good,
go.
good joke.
It was going to go the
You
wrong
want to
way.
continue working in this town. Constantine premieres tonight at 10 o'clock on NBC. Harold Jr., great to see you. Thank you for coming.